Saying, man, you got cars. It's your boy Just 4000, man. We out here in the A. It's fucked up, man. I don't know how they let this shit get like this, man. You got fucking cars on the road, man. It's fucking 11. That's my breath right there. It's cold as fuck. It's 11 something at night, man. You got motherfuckers stranded on the fucking road, man. No warning. No warning. I'm out here with my Uncle Pat. He up there. He done left me. Whew. It's cold out here, man. You got some cars trying to make it on the other side of the street. It's black ice all down here. Look at this. Black ice everywhere. People on the road. No warning. Let me see. Look at all the cars down there. Oh, excuse me. Making a little documentary.
I see.
It's ice everywhere on the road. Look at all the cars stranded. People walking outside. Had to abandon the cars. Whoa, I'm about to slip and fall. It's crazy out here, man. Whew, snow in the A. Shuts the city down. Got one truck trying to do it, but I don't know where he's gonna go when he gets down that hill. It's jammed up down there. You got a bus, city bus stuck right here. I'll get a better view of that later on my way back, cause I'm climbing up. See what's going on. You got more abandoned cars right here. It's fucked up, y'all. No warning. Kids at school stuck on the bus. Kids sleeping at the schools. Abandoned car. Right on the road. People still trying to make it home. Fighting. It's crazy out here, man. Got a car stuck, truck stuck right here. Nowhere to go. More abandoned cars in the middle of the street. It's crazy out here. It's fucked up. It's your boy Just 4000, man. I'm showing you how it is. No fucking warning. Somebody dropped the fucking ball, man. Somebody dropped the fucking ball. It's fucked up. Making a little documentary, man. It's fucked up out here. It's fucked up. No warning. They said it was gonna snow. Got people in the street. What's going on, man?
What up, y'all?
It's fucked up out here, my nigga. It's fucked up. You got cars in the middle of the road. There go my Uncle Pat. I'll holler at you later. It's your boy Just 4000.